you. I'm gonna open up this Excel. Now this is Excel. This is Excel. I'm gonna open up the Excel like. So this is Excel is a version of 2021 LOTS. For those who are using it, it's slow like as you can see here. I'll open a blank workbook. Good enough. I have tried it to have some examples as we did this one here. Okay. I want to show some cases on when you are working with this Excel. Like somebody was asking for the words. Other problem with an Excel in some cases in Excel, already Lewis. Let us try to see some operations. Maybe if you want to perform some operations that we're gonna see here, it is say back to the mirroring, where is now this one, which can. So I'll share in the screen now. I want to show you some cases. This is my Excel, okay? Let us work with this one. This is my Excel as I opened. So I want to perform some operations. This is my Excel. Maybe I want to add, somebody gonna add. I want to multiply. I want to divides. I'm gonna say divides. And I want to find the modulus. You guys, when we say modulus, that's any number. When you divide that number to 2, you get 1. So that is called a modulus. Modulus. This can be represented by the letter percentage. This one. This is the modulus. So guys, once we say modulus, something like when you take any number, you divide it by 2, the result it is equal to not 1. It is actually divide the number that's actually divided by 2 is where you're gonna find the modulus. For example, when you take 12 modulus 2, we expect this 12 is able to divide 2. So is 2 is a factor of 12. So we expected the answer will be equal maybe to 6. So this is a modulus. But if we say maybe if you take maybe 13 modulus 2, expect you get a reminder that because 13 divided by 2 is equal to 6.5. So actually we take 60 and the remainder is 1. So that is called the modulus. But also you can find the average. You're gonna find the RD is equal to sum. Average RD is equal, it's the same as total. So divides, as you know. So it's how we're gonna perform some operation with this, guys. Okay. Let's put this, clear the content. Let us have maybe the test 1. So suppose the student name. The student perform the test 1, test 2, test 3. This is a simple way. Maybe name is Roberts, Aisha. These are student. Aisha, Kelvin, some students, Kelvin, and this one, Hassan. So this is my student. They performed the test 1 and he got 7/10. And this is scored the 8, they say, 7.5. And this one is what now? 7.5, this is 8. Okay. Test 2 equal 10. Test 2, she scored 10. Okay. Test 2, he scored 9. And test 2 scored, maybe wanna say now it is 9 also. So testisly maybe scored what testisly scored 80, and the testy 2 or testisly she scored 9, and this is 7, let's say, on whatever you use the numbers. So these are my testing. I'm gonna write this one to the center. You highlight so that you can write all the content to the center as it has been seen, like okay. Sorry. You align to the center. And you align DC to center. Okay, they are ready at the center. No, this the center. Yeah. So at the center, okay. We align to at the center. This alignment or justifying this is alignment to the center, like so you can see now. This clearly seen to everybody. I think this is name. So this is name. Okay. So test 1, test 2. Now I want to find the total of test 1, test 2, test 3 for a certain student, maybe Robert, Aisha, Kelvin, Hassan. I want to find the total of these tests. After I find the total, I'm gonna find the average. What the average of test 1, test 2, test 3. So I'm gonna write this is total. Total. So this is total. Or a total has been squared. So this is a total. So what I thought I'm going to find, I'm gonna add test 1, test 2, test 3 is what I want to do now. So navigate to a downward slope as you can see there. So actually you can't write the word, you can't write the formula here because it's where we label. So this is just like a label. We label this column containing the total of test 1, test 2, test 3. So what we do is like you move to the next row. This is where you can insert your formula. So I'm gonna go to the formula bar, like here, this is the formula bar. As I told you, this is the formula bar. But remember that Excel formula, they always start with the word, always start with equal sign. When you type equal, then what I'm going to add the test 1, test 2, test 3. But as I told you that we can't add T1, T2, T3 because these are string, not integers. So our intention is to add integers. So you must understand or reference the cell. This is the cell A, the cell B, the cell C. This is cell A, cell B, cell C, cell D, and this is cell E. So is where now we are going to allocate the total for a test 1, test 2, test 3, as well as find out in Excel. So now we now find the word. Now find a total of test 1, test 2, test 3. What we're gonna do here is, as we already type the equal. So I need to find the total. So as you can see here, these are some automatic word. These are automatic. When you type, you can see here, this one is automatic function. Almost the total is provided with the function sum. So if you want to find the total of test 1, test 2, test 3, you type equal, then sum with a capital letter. Sum, open the brackets, So now, what is sum we're going to find? From the cell B, cell C, cell D. This is cell D. So but we want to find the sum of test 1, test 2, test 3. So we're gonna reference that's you can write sum of number as you asked here, number one, number two, but number one is from the cell B. B words. This is B6, B6, comma, B, no, it's not B. C what? This is C6, see? And a word, this is D6 also. So as you can see now, as I write it, we need to find the total T1, T2, T3. So it's going to be given by the function of sum. So when you click on another cell, you can see now we already having the sum of test1, test2, test3. These are some. As I told you, you can see now here it is the formula. What we did. This is the formula. It showed that all the cell B, cell C, cell D has been highlighted in reference to a row number 6. So all the data are present in row number 6 in the cell B and the cell C and the cell D has been added. As you can see, their total it is what 25. Then you can arrange at the center. So what next? We can't you can't type in each cell this formula. But a simple way you can work with this formula is to you go slots at the end of the cell, at the end of the cell E, like here. Hold on the left click, hold on, then arrive going drop down like this. You drop down. So already the formula is all presented to Aisha, Kelvin, Hassan, and so on. So this is how you're gonna find the total. So already this is the total, this is the total, these are totals. It is easy, but this is the total. Sorry. What I did here. Sorry. It's, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, like this one. So this is the total. We're already having the total. But we need to find out the next it was how you gonna divide this number. Maybe